Hello and welcome to a new data science project predicting renewable energy generation. In this project, we will be predicting renewable energy generation using real-world time series data. In this project, we focus on renewable energy, especially wind power, which plays a major role in sustainable and clean energy solutions. We will learn time series concepts, data pre-processing, extreme gradient boosting, and finally deploy our model as a Flask web application. Time series data is a sequence of data points collected over time, arranged in a continuous and meaningful order for analysis. Time series data exists everywhere, including EEG signals, rainfall patterns, stock prices, sunspots, retail sales, and subscriber growth trends. Wind energy generation depends mainly on wind speed and wind direction, which directly affect how much power is produced. Since wind conditions change over time, wind energy naturally becomes a time series problem that requires careful analysis. These changes often follow seasonal patterns, repeating daily, monthly, or yearly, which helps us understand and predict energy generation. In this graph, we can clearly observe peaks in power generation during certain months, showing strong seasonal trends across years. We use a dataset containing wind turbine data, including timestamps, wind speed, direction, and the corresponding power output values. This dataset is publicly available on Kaggle, making it easy to access and useful for learning and experimentation. It includes around 30 months of data collected at regular 10-minute intervals from wind turbines operating in real-world conditions. Our main goal is to predict wind power generation using historical data and machine learning techniques effectively. We will explore important features like wind speed and direction to understand their impact on power generation. And we will begin our data analysis and model building process using a Jupyter notebook. Thank you for watching this data science project. We encourage you to continue expanding your knowledge and applying these concepts to new projects. Keep learning and innovating.